Hey designers, want to save paper and time? Learn how to create 4 stunning flyers on a single page using Canva. It's easier than you think. First, go to your Canva website. You can search for flyer by typing it in the search bar, or else you also select it from under the search bar. Here you are in your Canva design dashboard. Go to the file section and click on settings. Now select show rulers and guides, or you simply can press Shift plus R and ruler will be appeared instantly on your design board. Now I'm gonna drag the bottom ruler to the middle of the page, and also gonna drag the left ruler to the middle of the page. So as you can see, I made 4 sections equally for the 4 flyers in one page. Now click on upload from the right side of your screen. Here you will see upload files. Click on it. You can upload your design from your PC. Here I'm gonna select mine, or else you can also drag your design on your page. Now I'm positioning and resizing my design into the first flyer section. Now duplicate your design 3 times by clicking on duplicate icons from the top menu. Now position them in other empty sections like the first one. As you can see that my 4 flyers on one page is done. You also can use different flyer design in different sections. Now you can download your design by clicking on share. I hope you find this video easy and helpful. Thanks for watching.